Do you know how dinosaurs were born? Today, we are going to tell you how dinosaurs came into existence. About 2 billion years ago, when animals first appeared, a massive event happened that eventually led to the rise of dinosaurs. But what exactly happened that wiped out almost all creatures, while dinosaurs survived? For millions of years, life on Earth was changing. The land on Earth started shifting and joining together, forming a supercontinent called Pangaea. At that time, animals that walked on 4 legs, like the ancestors of cows, goats, dogs, and many others, were evolving. Their early ancestors were called synapsids. Alongside them, another group called diapsids appeared, and these would eventually lead to dinosaurs. But nature had other plans. Massive volcanic activity began across the planet. Destruction spread everywhere. Scientists believe that Earth experienced one of the most devastating events in history, Perm-Triassic extinction event. This event was so powerful that it wiped out nearly 96% of all life on Earth. After this destruction, the stage was set for the rise of dinosaurs. If you want to truly understand how dinosaurs were born, like, share, and comment, and let's continue. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for around 180 million years. To understand their journey, we divide it into 3 periods: Triassic period, Jurassic period, Cretaceous period. Let's start with the first one, Triassic period. This period began after massive destruction. The Earth was extremely hot. Volcanoes were erupting everywhere, and most life had been wiped out. Many small creatures survived by hiding underground for millions of years. Slowly, as time passed, Earth's temperature stabilized. Plants, trees, and life began to return. Back then, there were no countries, no America, no Australia, no Italy, just one giant landmass, Pangaea. But this land was starting to break apart into smaller pieces. Plants like gymnosperms began to grow again. Creatures like ichthyosaurs and nothosaurs ruled the seas and land. Among them was a very important reptile group, archosaurs. These archosaurs would later evolve into crocodiles, pterosaurs, and dinosaurs. As the Triassic period was ending, some archosaurs began evolving into early dinosaurs like Herrerasaurus, Eoraptor, Staurikosaurus. These were among the first true dinosaurs. Some were herbivores, some carnivores, and some had long necks. Life seemed to be going well. But again, nature had other plans. Another mass extinction occurred, wiping out nearly 70% of life. This was likely caused by volcanic eruptions due to tectonic plate movements. Jurassic period. Now begins the Jurassic period, the age you've probably seen in many movies. Jurassic period. As this period started, oxygen levels changed and life adapted. Some creatures became smaller due to environmental conditions. Carnivorous dinosaurs like Dilophosaurus and Quelophysis were active hunters. Quelophysis could even crush bones. Herbivores also evolved. Peaceful, plant-eating dinosaurs spread across lush green lands. Over time, the climate varied. Some regions were cold, others hot. Dinosaurs adapted to their environments. Some small dinosaurs even started developing feathers, and eventually, certain species gained the ability to glide or fly. Large herbivores evolved into massive sauropods. Growing up to 8 to 9 meters long, life was thriving again. But once again, destruction struck. Another mass extinction wiped out nearly 75% of life. Ending the Jurassic period, Cretaceous period. Now begins the final age of dinosaurs. Cretaceous period. During this time, some of the most powerful dinosaurs appeared. Megalosaurus evolved into more advanced predators like Spinosaurus, which adapted to water environments and hunted fish near rivers. Its teeth became extremely sharp and powerful. In the oceans, Mosasaurus became the ultimate predator, the king of the seas. On land, Allosaurus struggled to hunt stronger herbivores, leading to the evolution of an even more powerful Tyrannosaurus Rex. T-Rex was one of the most dangerous, but hunting wasn't easy. Herbivores like Triceratops were extremely strong, using their horns to defend themselves and even injure predators. Some predators had to hunt in groups. Meanwhile, Archaeopteryx evolved further, developing better vision, intelligence, and wings. Over time, it led to fast and deadly hunters like Velociraptor T-Rex ruled the land. Velociraptors dominated the skies. Mosasaurus ruled the oceans. Dinosaurs were living their peak life, but their end was near. Around 65 million years ago, a massive event occurred, and that story will continue in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you.